In today's video, I'm going to give you guys an insider's look inside our freezer organization. I just recently shared the refrigerator organization, so make sure to check that out. Okay, opening up the freezer is a quick overview. And I'm going to go through everything and tell you how it's organized. Starting with the top row up here. So up here, this is the kids stuff. I don't have labels right now. May come and label, you know, for the hubs, but we kind of both remember. This is for breakfast. This is for dinner. I'll pull it out and show you what's in here. This one is their breakfast box. So it kind of have all their stuff. French toast, waffles, Eggos, pancakes, you know, their quick breakfast meals on those days where we just need to do a quick breakfast and keep it moving. And then this tub is the dinner one. Again, this is all their stuff. So this is like veggie tots. They like these dumpling bites. They have chicken and veggies in them. Veggie fries. It's all their stuff that they'll eat. Quick little meals. Those were chicken croissants, some egg rolls, green beans. We air fry those. I got a little picky eater, y'all, and sometimes I have to just get what I can take. If I can get some veggies in him, we'll go into the store and I'll let him at least pick out something he's willing to try. So most of this was picked out by him that he said he was willing to try. Again, one little way to help kids that are picky eaters eat veggies. But this is their little dinner box one I need to go to for them. Putting that back. So like I said, that's the kids area, breakfast and dinner. Then this next section is actually all my frozen dinners. These are for me. And it's just a mixture. I switch it up sometimes. I like the Real Good because they low carb, high protein meals. I eat a couple other type of frozen dinners too, but this is what's on stock today. To be honest, they were actually on sale at Kroger, and I usually try to find the sale items that are like more healthier. So these were it. So that's why I'm stocked with those. Those aren't the only ones that I do. Then this next row right here is the drawer section. So in this top drawer, I have frozen meats, hot dogs, bacon, breakfast sausage, stuff like that. So easy grab and go. I can also see when we're running low because a lot of times I buy things when they're on sale. So like they have the turkey bacon, 3 for whatever. I'll just go ahead and bulk buy and freeze the rest. Having them in a drawer makes it just really easy to see when I'm running low. So I know I got 1 pack left. Even with the turkey dogs back there, I can, again, see when we're running low or when we need to get some more. Because I usually always keep some of those on hand as well. And I usually grab them when they're on sales too. So I do bulk buy and shopping sales. This next section is 3 drawers. So in these, I have different things. Like this one has some popsicles. Those Yeso bars are actually yoga bars. They're good. Then, you know, popsicles and those peanut butter, Toastables in there, just random stuff. I put the date they expire on there. This one has popsicles as well too. Again, I put the days they expire, so I just get rid of the box to save space. But these also make them really easy to grab and go. These switch out. They're not the same every time. You know, if we buy new popsicles or ice cream cones, because, you know, I eat some too. We just switch them out, but I love the drawers because, again, easy grab and go, and you can also see when you're running low too. Now, the next section here, these are meats. One is for me, one is for the husband. We do eat separate things a lot of times, and sometimes I'm buying something way different than what he wants. So we stockpile and keep meats in here. And let me show you what's in mine. I have all my meats. This is a plant-based meat, and they're actually really good. I like this brand, Guardian. They have some really good stuff that is plant-based. I'm trying to do a better job, y'all, of doing less dairy, less meat, to more plant-based stuff if possible. And they also have this ground beef here too. I've made like tacos with this too. This one do taste a little different, but I season it well with taco sauce and I'm good to go. And then I got grilled chicken in here. More grilled chicken. And I like these too. These are the spicy for mommy. I can't give the kids the spicy, but I can definitely do the spicy dumplings. I like because they have chicken and veggies in them too. I keep those in my section so we don't mix those up with the kids. So in the husband meat drawer, he has air fried nuggets. He really likes those. 75% less fat. He has some chicken. If you can see that, I really don't want to pull it out because I got it nicely and tucked away. Some frozen chicken. And then these are like salmon packets. These like salmon packets. So he does fish. I can't eat fish. I'm allergic to fish. I can't eat fish, but he does have his fish. So we got, like I said, separate meats because we do eat different things and like different things, but we can easily grab it when we're trying to find something to cook. do me a small little favor and tap that thumbs up button. It means so much. It should light up with fireworks. Thank you guys so much. Also, make sure to subscribe if you have not. And turn your notifications on so you can get notified each time I upload a video. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 shelves. And we're going to move on to the drawers. The drawers, honestly, y'all, it's nothing special to them. They're just separated by, and this drawer is nuggets and potatoes. I'll show you. So in this drawer, it's just nuggets and fries. Honestly, we do them probably every once a weekend or something. It's just all kind of nuggets, dino nuggets, alphabet nuggets, and then tater tots, french fries. All that, any weekend food, we just put in here. So all the nuggets and fries just go in here because usually we do it at least once on the weekend. And then at the bottom down here in this drawer is veggies. They're just frozen veggies. Green beans, vegetable mix down there, roasted potatoes, sweet potatoes, some carrots, broccoli, you know. So when I need some frozen veggies, this is my go-to drawer. This is just for, you know, veggies. When I need some frozen veggies, I can go to this drawer. And you see it's still plenty of space. I could probably still fit about 6 more bags of veggies in here because it's just so spacious. It's so small as is. It's really just thrown in here and I can grab what I want. So again, every space don't have to be precisely organized. The goal is to be functional. You want to be able to find what you're looking for and make it easy to see when you're running low. Now, let's move to the door. The door's nothing special. Down here, have some random miscellaneous frozen stuff. These are like ice packets I used to have to use when I was doing IVF, or if you get a headache, or if you have something sore, you need to ice it. They're just ice gel packs. So a couple ice gel packs in there, a teether for Zuri, which is so funny because Ace would just come in here and grab her teether when she would get fussy when she was smaller. He knew where it was at and everything. He'll just grab it and then he'll come put it back in here too. So the fruit right here, just because I can easily see it and I still got space there. So if I do buy more bags of fruit, because y'all, I did not grocery shop for y'all. I did not try to make this a full freezer. This is what we had. And I said, I'll just show you this. You know, I still do refrigerator restocks and I may come do another one in the future, but no, we did not go grocery shopping. This is literally just what we had. So yeah, if I do buy some more fruit, we have space down there. Then here is just some random breadsticks, some ice cream. This one is actually another dairy-free item. This is the So Delicious butter pecan, and it's actually yummy. Y'all, it's so rich, so good. But I like So Delicious. A lot of their dairy-free ice creams are so good. So if you're looking for some dairy-free options, that's one that is dairy-free. And then this one has our turkey burgers. We all eat turkey burgers. So this was literally the best place to keep this because usually once we buy a pack, we'll go through this in like 2 days. So I'll know when this is empty, we need another one. But yeah, everybody here, we all eat turkey burgers. So it's just easy to grab them here. And then in this little bin here, it's just like ice packets, like for lunch boxes. So we have those and then some Cool Whip there. Again, easy access. So there you go, you guys. That's the freezer. So again, everything is able to be seen, easy grab and go. We can see when we're running low or when we need more stuff. That is the purpose of organization. It is not about aesthetics, not for me at least. I like functional stuff. And these bins right here are different sizes. This one's slightly bigger than that one. I will try to link them all. It may be through YouTube or wherever because they're 2 different sizes and they fit my freezer perfectly. That's one reason why I went back to a 2-door because I can organize these better. I can fit more food in them. And then I have spaces that my kids can grab too, especially in the fridge. So if you guys do want to see the refrigerator organization, make sure to go check that out because I included even more organization items and hacks in there also. I still have space here. I can put more frozen dinner if need be, but as I eat them, this will free up some space. A lot of these still have some space. That's why I like these because you can use all your space all the way up and then pull it out when you need to easily find what you want. So that's why I really love those. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to go ahead and go watch that refrigerator organization video. If you have not saw that one, you're gonna love it.